It is Tuesday, April 21st. We are going to be testing the Ordinary Peeling Solution. I'm actually very scared for this. Also, so many people have been requesting this, first of all, and I am scared because it legit looks like blood. Actually really cool though, because there's a lot of really good stuff in here. Like there's lactic acid, salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid, B5. B5 I'm familiar with, of course. So it says clean face and wait for skin to dry. Do not use on wet skin. Huh, I wonder what will happen. Apply evenly across face and neck using fingertips, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for no more than 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Do not use on sensitive, peeling, or compromised skin. Do not leave longer than 10 minutes. It repeats that again. It is not recommended to use more than twice per week. Oh, okay. Irritation occurs. Cease use and consult a physician. Use only as directed as on unbroken skin. So this really sounds scary. So anyway, I'm just gonna quickly wash my face, and if you all did not know, new Teami Superfood cleanser came out. It's so cool. It has sea kelp, matcha, and turmeric. Use code SONY15, SONY20 or 25 if you want some dollars off. Okay, my face is nice and dry. So scared. Dude, this looks black. Oh, there's totally water on there. Did I get the wrong? Like, is this what it is? Oh, this is very frightening. But okay, anyway. So we're just gonna drop it on. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh man, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. This looks so scary. I feel like my whole face is gonna just burn. We're just gonna try a little bit right now. This looks so freaking weird. Oh, it burns. Oh, it burns. This is definitely more intense than glycolic acid. Okay, so it burns like pretty bad initially for like the first maybe like 30 seconds, and then now it's feeling like quite okay. So like it just burns when you like just first apply it. It is 9:36 right now, so we will wash this off and wash it off at 9:45. Okay, it feels totally fine now. It's not burning. I feel very normal. I don't look normal, but I feel normal. So at the end, of course, I'll do my before and after photos after a month. And yeah, I'll only use this twice a week though. Obviously, it says to use no more than twice a week, 10 minutes each. And yeah, I will tune you in a bit. It's 9:47, 2 minutes a bit more. And I feel my face is starting to tingle. Definitely no more than 10 minutes because I'm starting to feel it. My face feels normal. It doesn't hurt, doesn't sting at all. I think my face looks refreshed. I don't know if that's just me. I'm just gonna continue with my normal skincare, and then yeah, I guess I will update you the next time I do this. Not too much instant review other than my face feels normal. It started tingling after 10 minutes of wear. Tingles probably straight up for the first like 30 seconds of you applying it, and that's pretty much it. I'll tune you in probably further again, maybe with more details of my review next time I do it. 9:30 p.m. April 26th, Sunday. This is so frightening. So scary. This is intense. Definitely some tingling, especially on any active acne breakouts. It's very tingly. Yep, we'll just keep doing it. Keep doing what we're doing. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. I'm about to wash off my mask, and the second time it's not as intense as it was the first time, so I don't know if my face already got used to it. I have no idea. It's only the first initial thing where you put it on. It kind of stings the active acnes that were on my face, which is kind of around here. And when I waited for 10 minutes, literally nothing, and I still feel no intensity at all. So it literally just feels normal. It actually is really, really comfortable, and my skin isn't affected in a negative way. Didn't react any weird. So yeah, for the second time, very good. And yeah, we will continue using this. Hey, my. If you have any like cuts or scratches or something on your face, chances are it will tingle in those areas too. Other than that, so far so good. It is May 5th. Of course, I'm going to continue the peeling. See, I never have to clean my camera lens because that is how I clean it. Is this okay to use on your lips? It's a tingly on my chin. I was not expecting that hardcore of a tingle. But I have like active breakouts around my chin right now, so yeah. Brace yourself if you have active breakouts. because this stuff is no joke. So yeah, if you have like intense acne everywhere, this may be a bit intense. We're gonna put some on the neck. I've never dragged it down my neck before, and I am making sure I wear my sunscreen. The stinging lasted a bit more this time, a bit longer. So yeah, I think the stinging honestly will only happen depending on how many like open kind of acne you have, because before this, like my acne the last time I used it was completely fine. I don't know what's going on here. I'm gonna let this do its thing, and around my chin though. Whew, this is no joke though. Anyway, I'll be back. It's now 10:15, so I definitely need to wash it off. At the same time though, I am very guilty for picking. I did pick it, I will admit. So if you don't pick your acne, hopefully it shouldn't burn like that, because obviously they're open wounds, right? Like it's not really the best idea to, you know. My skin feels good. I feel so fresh though. It never gets old. Every time I wash it off, it's just like so much more fresh. I feel so much better. Anyway, I'm gonna finish my skincare. Saturday, May 9th. And yeah, we're still going strong. For some reason, again, I'm so bad when it comes to picking like acne. I'm just horrible. I did it, and for some reason, it's not hurting at all when I applied it this time. Like this was like the most scared I've ever been to apply this, because I'm just like, oh my God, I've been like so subconsciously like picking my chin acne so much. I know it's bad. I was so scared because like, again, I've been picking at it, so I'm like, okay, this is gonna burn like fire. So when I put it on, I'm like, what the heck? Maybe like your skin gets used to it over time, I guess, or maybe it's just a Russian roulette where it's just like you put it on every time and you don't know what to expect. It could hurt, it could not, who knows? I also spread it down my neck a bit, but I put majority of it, of course, on the facial region. But anyway, that's just an update, how it feels and all that stuff. Radiance and the glow, not so much, again, the acne per se. I mean, who knows, maybe it will help acne because it helps cell turnover and slough off dead skin. But we're really interested in like the glowiness, like how much more radiant my skin will look. So yeah, we will see. And again, I guess I will update you next time I wear this. So it is Tuesday, May 19th, and it is like pretty much officially a month. It's been quite a while since I've been using this for this long. So we are going to just do my final verdict tomorrow morning. We'll do a quick before and afters, I guess, and we'll just see if any like glowiness, brightness, and any kind of like brightening of the acne scars is going to do something. Obviously my current breakouts, they're from, again, I'm trying to heal my gut. This has never broken me out, but the current outbreaks I'm having are like digestion based. If you have never checked my naturopath videos out, check them out now, because I am getting my digestion back on track and all that kind of stuff. So I'll link those videos down below. But anyway, I'm so excited because this has been a pretty good experience from my observations. Again, when I did apply the mask this time, it did sting a bit around my chin. But other than that, if I didn't have active breakouts, like this wouldn't have hurt at all. We'll see about the benefits. But other than that, I will do my final conclusion tomorrow. And yeah. Nice. May 20th, Wednesday. Okay, so this is the 1 month update officially from this red liquid. I do have a couple breakouts still right here and here. These pimples, they were like prominent the beginning of the week, and I feel like it kind of helps bring them up. Oh, I gotta save my stash. But this one, it used to be like underneath skin, and like now it doesn't even hurt. And this was just a few days ago, and I feel like that was an ongoing thing where it's just like the cell turnover. Not only it helped my scars, but also helped my active acnes that would occur every time when I would like reduce my B5 intake. And now I'm trying to fully reduce my B5 intake and then kind of solve my gut issues from the inside. Again, my naturopath videos, I'll link down below. But I do feel like my overall skin texture is more balanced and just even. Like the non-active breakouts, I feel like they just faded so drastically. Like I had so many scars there. So I can't even imagine what this will do for like when I actually have my active breakouts gone and then we just have scarring. Like I feel like this would speed up the whole process so much more. So yeah, the final update to my skin. I know it's kind of disappointing because I did break out a few times. So I feel like the product can't show its true justice and how like good it was and how effective it treated my scarring and just just texture. But either way, I'll put a side-by-side comparison so you can see for yourself, because I still have to edit this whole thing, so I really don't know what my skin looked before this. But with that being said, I hope I gave you at least a good review, thorough review of everything, the symptoms, side effects, when you use it, etc. And again, don't forget your SPF. I have my windows closed right now, but I'm going to apply SPF as soon as I'm done with this video, because I just woke up, washed my face, and that was it. The raw glowy state, because I don't even have moisturizer on, like it just kind of I feel like my skin is just glowy, which is amazing. So it feels pretty comfortable with just washing my face and just you know, showing you the glow after I wash my face and dry it. But anyway, yeah, hope you have a good day, good night, wherever you're watching this. Please subscribe if you want to see more of me. I post every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss a video I post. All my social media links will be linked down below, as well as the peeling solution, so you can purchase for yourself and try it out, see if it's a good match for you. Yeah, subscribe to my second YouTube channel if you don't know. Hello, my name is Sonia. I'm a music producer and I produce music. So if you are into EDM pop, house, kind of very upbeat radio pop vibes, then definitely consider subscribing. It would mean the world to me. Oh my goodness. So you can keep updated for when I drop my single. Lots of virtual kisses and hugs, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, peace.